Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the cloud spun stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the second chain from your hook. Now you will make 1 half double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. We're going to immediately start our sequence for this row. Skip 1 stitch into the next stitch, make a single crochet and a half double crochet into that same stitch together. Now you're going to start repeating this. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, single crochet and half double crochet. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, single crochet and half double crochet. You would now repeat this sequence of skipping 1 stitch and then working a single crochet and half double crochet into the next stitch until you reach the end of this row. Once you reach the end of this row and you only have 1 stitch left, work 1 single crochet into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the cloud spun stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.